How to fix due to suspicious activity on Bank of America account. Let's get started. If you have received a notification about suspicious activity on your Bank of America account, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through these steps to resolve it quickly and securely. Log into your Bank of America account as soon as possible. This will allow you to review any recent transaction and address any concerns. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Activity or Transaction History section of your online banking dashboard. Review your recent transactions carefully. Look for any unfamiliar or suspicious activity such as unrecognized purchases or withdrawals. If you identify any transactions that you don't authorize or recognize, report them immediately to Bank of America's fraud department. Contact Bank of America's customer service as soon as possible. Follow the instructions provided by the customer service representative. They may ask you to provide additional information or take certain actions to secure your account. As a precautionary measure, consider changing your online banking password and setting up additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can resolve suspicious activity on your Bank of America account and keep your finances secure. Well, this is how you can fix due to suspicious activity on Bank of America account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.